Open the Lens and Settings in Keying tool. You can modify the installation direction. This installation direction is up. This is left. This is right. This is down. Note, must be horizontal or vertical relative to the camera. Locking the horizon can ensure a level frame, but it will result in more cropping. You can fill in an appropriate locking amount to balance cropping and the effect. Auto rotation can automatically rotate vertically videos. The synchronization speed refers to the speed of aligning the gyroscope data with the video time. The slower the speed, the higher the accuracy. Generally, medium speed is sufficient. In the advanced options, it is mainly about codec-related settings. You can modify the video encoding and resolution scaling. For example, for 4K, after selecting 1/2, it becomes 1080p. When the GPU does not support the current video format, you can cancel GPU encoding and GPU decoding separately.